Want to talk to Gemini without touching your phone? You can use Hey Google for hands-free access. Here's how to enable it. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Now find Talk to Gemini hands-free. Tap on it. You'll see the Hey Google option. If it's off, tap the toggle. A pop-up will appear with options like No Thanks and Turn On. Tap Turn On. Now, follow the setup instructions on your screen. This may include voice training, so your device can recognize your voice. Once finished, the feature will be enabled, and the toggle will turn on. Now you can say Hey Google to start talking to Gemini without touching your phone. If you want to turn it off, tap the toggle again. You'll see options like Turn Off or No Thanks. Tap Turn Off to disable it. And that's how to enable or disable hands-free Gemini using Hey Google on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.